Hello, I am Barry Shore, Professor Emeritus at the University of New Hampshire and Head of Content Development here at SSGI. Midcoast digital marketing was growing rapidly. However, the company struggled with siloed workflows, unclear priorities, and missed deadlines. Traditional project management methods created bottlenecks, leading to delays in approval and disjointed execution of a client's project. Indeed, growth made this problem even more acute. Top management agreed that several steps needed to be taken. What they needed? Enhanced collaboration across marketing, design, and analytics teams. Improve campaign agility, ensuring faster adjustments to market feedback. Deliver a cohesive, multi-channel campaign within a strict 6-week timeline. Drive higher return on investment, ROI, through more efficient processes and optimized resource use. But how could they do this? It was decided to introduce the principles of Scrum. A project for a new customer would be the first to use this framework. The Scrum Team. A cross-functional Scrum team was created to participate in the project. The team included creative staff, content writers, graphic designers, and video producers, analytics staff, data analysts responsible for audience insights, A/B testing, and campaign performance tracking, ad buying staff, specialists in managing paid social media, search engine ads, and influencer partnerships. Stakeholders, representatives from sales and product teams to align marketing efforts with business goals. Roles within the Scrum framework were assigned. Product owner. The head of marketing acted as the product owner, responsible for defining campaign priorities and maintaining the backlog. Scrum Master. A senior project manager was designated as Scrum Master to facilitate Scrum events, remove impediments, and ensure adherence to Scrum principles. Development team. All other team members worked collaboratively to deliver increments of the campaign. User stories. To better understand the features and requirements of the client's project, user stories were collected. Here are a few of those stories. As a marketing researcher, I want to analyze market trends and audience behavior to define my target audience. As a marketing team member, I want to identify potential campaign themes so that we can create a compelling message. As a strategist, I want to identify the best performing channels such as social media for the target audience. As a graphic designer, I want to create logos, color schemes, and visuals so that I can ensure consistent branding. As an advertising specialist, I want to create ad campaigns so that I can reach the target audience effectively. As a marketing analyst, I want to summarize results and insights so that I can share them with the customer. As a marketing analyst, I want to implement tracking tools such as Google Analytics so that I can monitor campaign effectiveness. Product backlog. The first step was to create a product backlog which identified the client's requirements and features. Sprint planning. The campaign timeline was divided into 3 2-week sprints with deliverables for each sprint clearly defined. Sprint 1, ideation and research. Define campaign objectives and key performance indicators or KPIs. Develop customer personas based on data from past campaigns. Brainstorm and finalize campaign themes and messaging. Sprint 2, content creation. Write ad copy and blog posts tailored to the personas. Design graphics and produce video content. Draft a social media calendar and email marketing templates. Sprint 3, campaign launch and optimization. Launch the campaign across multiple channels such as social media, email, and paid ads. Monitor performance metrics such as click-through rates and conversion rates. Use A/B testing to optimize underperforming ads in real time. Sprint backlog. Referring back to the product backlog, the team selected those items that could be included in the first sprint. They would have to be capable of completion within the 2-week framework. Here is the sprint backlog. It includes campaign goals, audience segmentation, competitive analysis, market research, campaign objectives, customer personas, brainstorming, campaign theme, and finally, KPIs. Daily Scrum. The team held 15-minute daily scrums to share progress updates, identify obstacles that need to be addressed by the Scrum Master, and reprioritize tasks, if necessary, based on feedback or emerging insights. Sprint. Here is where the work gets done. At the end of each sprint, the team presented completed or potentially shippable products to stakeholders. In Sprint 1, stakeholders reviewed and approved the campaign strategy and customer personas. In Sprint 2, stakeholders provided feedback on creative assets. In Sprint 3, stakeholders analyzed early campaign performance metrics and suggested further improvement. Sprint retrospectives. After each sprint, the team conducted a retrospective to identify what went well, such as collaboration across teams, highlight challenges such as delays in video production due to resource constraints, agree on action items for improvement in the next sprint. Results. Faster turnaround. The Scrum framework's iterative approach allowed the team to deliver the campaign a full week ahead of schedule. Continuous feedback during daily scrums and sprint reviews ensured that issues were addressed promptly, thereby reducing delays. Improved campaign performance. The campaign achieved a 20% higher return on investment compared to the previous year's campaigns. A/B testing insights helped the team optimize ad designs, increasing click-through rates by 15% and conversions by 10%. Social media ads showed a 40% increase in engagement compared to the company's baseline metrics, with 25,000 additional likes and shares. Email marketing saw a 50% boost in open rates, rising from 20 to 30%, and click-through rates improved from 2 to 3.5%. Blog content attracted 30% more organic traffic, resulting in 10,000 additional visits over the campaign period. Enhanced team collaboration. Cross-functional teamwork improved significantly, with team members reporting higher clarity in roles and responsibilities. Regular Scrum events fostered a culture of accountability and proactive problem solving. Stakeholder satisfaction. Stakeholders appreciated the transparency and the ability to provide input during sprint reviews. Early wins, such as well-received ad designs, built confidence in the campaign's success. Here are some key takeaways. Agility is key. The Scrum framework enabled the team to adapt quickly to changing priorities and market feedback, a critical advantage in the fast-paced world of digital marketing. Transparency drives success. Frequent reviews and clear workflows ensure that all stakeholders were aligned and informed, reducing misunderstandings and rework. Breaking down complexities, dividing the campaign into smaller, manageable increments allowed the team to focus on high-priority tasks and deliver consistent value. Collaboration fuels creativity. The Scrum team's cross-functional nature fostered innovative ideas and solutions, improving campaign quality. That's it, a brief step-by-step approach to how you can apply the principles of Scrum to a marketing problem. For more information, see below. Thanks for watching.